You know, it wasn't a good feeling because it's like my whole life changed like in an instant, you know. I was in a car accident, hit from behind, August the 3rd, and my L5, I think it was L4, L5, and a couple other discs going up were messed up, but I couldn't walk. My left leg was completely numb. I was in the hospital for a week, actually. And I came home on a walker, and a month later I was on a cane. I couldn't walk for long. I couldn't walk, basically. Couldn't sit up, couldn't lay down. The first month when I got out of the hospital in August, I had to like sleep sitting up because I couldn't lay down. It just hurt so bad. And then in September, about half of the month of September, I was able to lay down, and then I couldn't sit up. That's when I got the first injection in September. And then the next injection, I just had to just get however I can get comfortable. It was just, you know, can't do nothing. Couldn't go to basketball games. My son had just started football, of course, for high school, and I couldn't sit for more than 30, 45 minutes without, you know, being in excruciating pain. So I couldn't even go to his football games. I would go and sit in the car for a few minutes, you know, and then have to leave before the game was over because I couldn't sit, you know. But, and I couldn't do nothing. Couldn't do nothing. I think I went to church for the first 3 months, maybe once. And I got there within 20 minutes sitting in the pews, and my husband had to drive me back home. So I really couldn't do nothing but get up, go to the doctor, and come home, or therapy. But as far as doing anything over 2 hours was just like, I couldn't do it. And then on December 3rd, actually 4 months later, we did the laser surgery. And I was glad I did it. I should have did it 2 months before, but and it helped some. I feel practically about back to where I was. And I was surprised, but I am. From hearing a lot of people talk about it, it's like, don't let them, you know, do back surgery. Don't get a cut on your back. You ain't gonna never be right or whatever. And I just prayed about it and was like, okay, God, I ain't right now. So even if it just takes most of the pain away and I'm okay, I'll be all right with it because I'm not a stay-at-home person. So I prayed about it, and I told Dr. Deuk, look, okay, let's do it, whatever you got to do. And when he told me we don't have to do the old-fashioned way with the screws and all that, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm ready. The same day, I knew it was successful because I couldn't walk without being in a lot of pain. And even after the surgery, just by putting my feet down, I could tell the difference after surgery. Because from the time of the accident until surgery, even the day of surgery, I went in with walking on a cane because I was just feeling so uneasy. And when I got off of the table and they put me in a back brace, my husband asked me, how you feel? And I was like, I feel like I can walk. And it was fine. Well, I took several pain medications actually from the time of the accident until surgery. Now, I can honestly say that since the surgery, I may have taken 2 pain pills since, and not whole, like a half. Dr. Deuk has done like surgery on like, I think 2 people that I've recommended already since my procedure in December. And he's already did their procedures, and it's just now getting into March. I have my life back. I went back to the choir. Hadn't been in the choir for 6 months because I couldn't stand. So I went back to church, got back in the choir. I'm back at work now full time, thank God. Back doing nails because I'm a nail tech too on the side. I started back this past week. I'm able to do everything that I was doing before.